Anyway, anymore currently. Ya did nyame ase. Anymore edi nyame aye. Ya ka che ne se papa why ni na. Yes. Ye tuche e de ma. Isa say why ni na. Eti mo ne yo. Ansana e be ka che say mo ne yo no. Na che say why ya de sonkon why ya de ma. Ade a why no. Awie mudi che say why ya ma na di mu. TS mo ne yo why ya de.
Truth is I gave up on myself.
Na de why ni na. Na why yen so ma di mu fefe kama no. Eno ne yenyame ayi na ye dan no. Eno ti ene se papa mo ne yo. Wone a why de ama oma. Patron e ukuda. Wednesday the 12th of September 2018. Good afternoon and welcome to your own show, Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM with me, Jerry Justice. Produced by Papa Bills, African. Pamford, well, no so touchy. Come over there. I'm in account. Free Sabre copy himself when you win with ya. Bro. But quickly, no, and you be quite man so sharp. Na said the Wednesday say na brochi for your mom akwanya ma mosumutimi freba no mosumutimi afrenti pacho say o Ghana ha na utie misisi a pacho Wednesdays pede na waja homam na ja abrochi for so anya kwa no mosumutimi afrede nyame ase bi akwantu mu say masa enye easy o jeja wan ko bi ni e kan wan hwe abeka say bra won bre wo hon nyame a ele kurokuro mu kakra Tedu koda say ya na ya mom so akonya no no so atimi adanyame ase bi eti yan sha ase 0302216561 0302216562 and our 0268499347 winning numbers abit me afre na waba Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM na also atimi adere ade ase tie nuanom amutie amwo UK importem wo nyina the time to call is now. Most of more Europe or any of the European countries. Yes, salutumina. More North and South of America. Yechiamo. I feel Middle East for Nechiamuna, more Asia, Yechiamo. Most more Australia. Yechiamuina. I can't inform you. Cover baby. I feel more any of the African countries. Yamamuna so akwaba eba Ofie Kwanso media so it's the African country be was be betimi afre except for Ghana say Ghana that is Ofie here so you can call us now what the radio say 1 year radio ayedi amount 0302216561 0302216562 and our face 0268499347 we na besa bit me afre na waba Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM near radio yan call Denmark na yan fa Kwame Kechi Copenhagen na hono wo Kwame boko there
ya me Adom blood jelly
Kwame ni ye tiwe
yo blood jelly am say so that they be American ye ka say kan nyame de wa ya ma ye ne a em say e be fa ye ni so
no correct
kini nyina ni say eye afida eni moni yo eni bi ma ora yi wa yi
why ni na mono yo na dey ashim no kra dey na just why ni
next Monday next week Monday my birthday
wow next week Monday yeah be yeah and only my sister Kumano ne di birthday bu ono so Monday yeah be yeah birthday
that's so great if you na who ka sister na be come who feel me party and me back to Peter pa
me review why patron chabusu afo me do na fancy why
yo what am say me Mabusia, you know, just so because he actually my sister and by December never down. He met Omo and at least Copigan from the Chow Bia, so for, you know,
all right.
Everybody.
All right. Omunada, Crabby. That's the pass of friend. Eddie Denmark. Yen Twasuna, Yen Chamunko Togo. Nayakofa Mavis. Hello, May.
Hello, Roger.
May, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Roger. Explain.
Me patron me hoye pa announce we.
Yamyado me hoye. Yamyado me hoye. Roger me nyajio.
Saon.
The me song be a move for me call.
Ene dey afa.
Roger, we the radio say.
Good.
Yama be brain radio yama. This be a me kofa yama the bar. Now say radio show me so. Wama be body dance to me. E radio so don't turn am di me radio.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Oh, God, I don't feel my friend was a me call.
Kafra. Bye. Next time, Befa.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, you. Yeah, that's it. Mavis near Tenin can edify Togo. Togo. Yeah, Baba. We are the daughters of glorious Jesus. I said that Ben, I am from Rade. Ayeyi Ben na yemfa emano. Beautiful song. A chance anytime you have a bobia. It feels like a new song. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go, y'all. So Togo for na kan ho bi Esther Kevi Ewo Togo Esther.
Yes.
Udi ne Kevi.
Yeah.
Okay. Udi Esther na kasafi Kevi Ewo Togo.
Ewo Togo.
I make I said that in by name say Esther Kevi. Anyway, all right. Oh, Debbie, me say na sa. I'm coming to you.
Credit this time.
And the man is Casante Mansa. You.
Papa. Hey, and easy.
All right. You.
Me on the phone, my family. There are just in I am a minimum. Remember, I missed two questions. I made another dress in the and then I asked.
Amen. Yes, we that's a pass of free. Why? Nyame come why? Too good vibes. They were born in Tentem. I had so credit na sa. Philadelphia in the United States of America. Obiba JK. Ejame team in your inkache. Obiba JK.
Jali.
Obiba udam. Meti won kache papa.
Me frère ache. Miska di ona spending tino.
Na bibia boko de minua.
Oh, nyame adom bibia boko dam so.
Yes, you ye pa wa ha. Nyame gusu hihira.
JK Otobodi o mabie no kura no mutio.
Nice one.
Yeah, that's good.
Right. Etiwe.
Oh, nyako pon de do aya ma me de. Me ka se me dwuno ho a me ntia se. Anura pa accident bia ke nya wo. Ni free New Jersey call program. Bridge so pa ne ka tai be paye. Oh. Lucky, I'm okay. Be na carry a Range Rover. Na nipa na gumuno na wuta timbi Angela boy Kimbi. And no fast. Or boy take him off it. Also Kimbi staff for quite 3 and a team. And you know the with the Yamias pass who ye free. And we bedroom fina about and I do bear 1 o'clock. With the Yamias pass. So I'm a farmer Biama Carlos or Anani. Uncle to bridge soon. The Yamias pass.
Yo, we buy a Denyamiase pa, a Denyamiase, because as this Anna Natchez in Yamian, et me dim one for Fika, Cranyama.
Oh, Yamia, the bridge to say the bridge can see a pow.
Right.
Now start for me and Sunday tick aim. You over pa, not tie up pie. Oh, and Yagro.
Wow.
I rather it to me so pa. Uta, ya brother.
Right, I'm saying, Jama, Amano, Akate. We were Jiki. Yamo Fimuati, Yamenkao. Philadelphia 4. Time check, 3:45 on 106.3 FM. Daughters of Glorious Jesus. Aye, bang. Woo! Get down, Ponyami. Hey, hey, hey. Who's in this? Pa 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 Happy birthday going out to Hilda. Or the Church of Pentecost Tema Community 1 English Assembly. It's your birthday today. Enjoy it to the fullest. And may the good Lord bless you more and more and more. Happy birthday one more time, Hilda. Yesu niawaya mamino esombo na chese medwenhu mentiasie. This is Kobe Sam featuring Gifty or say Jerusalem. And some to Hosanna. Make Janko Tia come shave it. And some about for Yamao. Da da da, met Hosanna, Hosanna. Yanko New York City. Na Yanko fa. Hey, Sarafina na minimum ba we. Sarafia. And Chroma. Hello.
Hello, brother.
Yeah, good afternoon, that's saying.
Good afternoon, I'm going to
Menso, me be I boko wa.
Mr. Michelo to the beer,
and they went your quafre, the Yamiasi. Now, Udine, Sarafia. Wow. All right. Oh, it's now New York City, ought to say, all right. You didn't miss him. Patrol, you didn't see the other day, Radiasi, right?
When the master in our command because why am I doing the Akiba? I can use you. It means that I prefer what the way, let the Obusa or minimum any Abusa in Abrabumu. I would say America have more land in Yanko.
All right. Yeah, then I'm asking Patrick Chabusian formula in Fancy.
You would have been sure command me now for 400 for Ghana prison service now. And I'm a Busian from Wasampa. And the brother back of Ghana Police Service, DSP David Noah. And I'm in the trouble also Ghana Prisons Headquarters. It's only Raymond Chokwaku. And I'm now for Ghana in Amicia.
All right. Amuna Joseph, bye bye. Yafa last 2 calls. Na Koya Bay. One of the countries me pesa me kohopa Egypt. Last year na pesa me kona etifaso. Me guso ye to I want to go to Egypt. Na me check 1 or 2 B. Yanko Egypt na yanko fa Eunice. Hello Eunice. Patrol Eunice signed free being why because Egypt one. Me interest to hopa. Me interest to Egypt pa.
Min say we be proud me dear me boat me empty. Me try me bien sana med. Intete sanko hamidi. Nam breed.
Your fast like I say, Mark Kojak Farmer. Kojach. Oh my, the original Procold. Procold. And no any edit to flu and I feel cold. I say one time. So the original Procold and got to the imitation Biana. I could fire every Friday, bro. I feel you were Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste, and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash, and a Kojak sensitive brush. That be how the boat paste in the Sukan, I just I complete. Now, Patroti and Chemuni or say, oh, dear, dead now, safe and film. Yana do baby cross, see to Mujana do baby a yo, Yana, dear. The Patro Yusu, Kojak F toothpaste and then a mouthwash now. Now the only severe pano de pa ya no ntimi ya unbearable. Use Kojak P toothpaste and a mouthwash. Open best result pa dia na o the Kojak sensitive toothbrush na kan bibia be fine e dia ma why. And right now you available. Our pharmacy shops how do ni across the country. Do pa no. Na wabomoden ahwehwe Kojak pharmacy akwan wo kan shi drug lane 0249 209 920 and our fee 0260 870 780. Yanko United States of America one more time. This time round Yanko Texas Yanko fa Ruby. Hello Ruby.
Hello Jerry.
Ruby at saying
I'm Adom now so.
Miss Moya Ruby your voice there but I say on chadan kasa de wa manaka cheka kra. My voice ni pie mo ne mo de pa why.
That's it.
Anyway, Ruby yentie de odi de radio ase wie.
We dey radio ase. Say odi me kwa ko to Afghanistan. Now for the past 6 months since assembly via. Me dana se so abo me ne me ma homban. This month me back it to about 4 years. It's me dana se why bia ma me ne me fearful.
Great. That's nice. That's good. All right, you there radio ase. Edema one obusuano enyina. Me patcho che obusuan fo minu na fi yemfa onsi.
Me busa nyoma me maame. E friend anti few. Or Ghana sia or to Sampa Valley. And me busa nyoma me na vuko nyina ene ma sorry ma for Pentecost form of Godhood. A bit you into me busa nyoma.
All right. Yeah, that's a pass off rain. I'm sure no can why. Amen. If I trust out per roofing sheet out the board down so or how be a mahon na a bell last a lifetime. If I try I to DBS roofing sheet. And no any coloring plus roofing sheet. Pre-coated roofing sheet. And your roofing sheet now you try to reans and the paint your fast be there be. All losing content you will call new chain roofing sheets now called market now AZ150. They are connected between AZ30 and AZ50. And we are boss at the what them will you because chance in a thick pie. Come on. Yeah, the top class quality materials near the eye. And nunti and now over tubia. Your mount 20-year warranty also. Check on the expenses road next to Papa restaurant. I bet you chance Papa be never board dance. Frame was 0240-844-444 and our fee 0204-344-561. Yeah, roof experts now. Papa. And what you fast day do Farmer Trust Limited. I'm also and my healthy link. Hair, nails, and skin. Or bawunya bia. Uchi a foot tin fine. There you feno. Now skin so torso. Now more and soon nail food neat come upon one day a woman. A fenny agro. A fair drove a bet me ama bibia ko ye the amount. Or ba be madden ho kan wa na nyi se na timia ba no way free. Nye say ya your wedding poppy. Be may up map so still a shema. There be no healthy link, healthy woman. na boost fertility no ema why esa ma immune system ni nya hoden ema nyi che na sebe na obenya heart related problem bia de e reduce no kwa eyi free okra na asumdwi abakama improve blood flow so pa I feel your ba when you edru mpanin fie so ene watwa bra say your mama and now wife and now your baby say baby when you edru watwa bra na ya na problems bia wo famu atete enema kitua bia na irritate you on na wada bi edu anadru ase wo bo benani wada was na chichichi no on anti os dadu e wo menam o cross as obi di jaguma pampam ahometo wanhwe kura beka se obi na aboni dua sa ne ma na nye e hadwen etu de bomoden a mano healthy link menopause tablet ebeyi sa problems we nyina afio ma me beda ma nso adabi chesa sumdue beba fie enwe na ya available pharmacy shops ahodo ni nyina mu dodo pa no pharma trust pharmacies ahodo ni nyina mu no borura mu a dodo bia ohia bia wonsa ebetimi aka e de free ayeremwera yina go to Trust Lady on Young Farmer Guaranteed Trust Bank, GT Bank, the most innovative and technology advanced bank. What? Any business now person on the bank near, and they transfer shall bedroom. Yes, I try living room to TV that you across all night. No way you phone. No about *737#. What follow prompts now can be a person on the bank near you can do it on your mobile phone. What's your office? One of them chrome baby. What truck or taxi be cheap? And now Uber be no afan a job flex with you. I must have any problem. Transact business with GT Bank on your phone. And don't be account on your mobile phone. Put me start linking your account with your mobile money wallet for easy transfers. Uni hakra. Today any of our branches Branani and Kasani and Chantuso. Simple banking for every Ghanaian. Convenient banking, papa. Try it today and smile. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Finally, young fast like I say, the funeral people. Transition. Chese obia ni won mo a obe pese obe boss empire say the dish been taught na yenkoye yi there be but den a part of us as humans yentimi ntre wiase anane bo there be ebre no beso ame akoyen krachi na se ebre no so a se be na bibia be kama na yakrakra nipa na chi ama ye fe no jaima transition na ye ni uduma from day one ye betimi handle amunu de ama correct obi won mo wunim so onipa wunim ne pa otias na ne ho feye tim say fresh girl pa obi say na slay queen tim say guy we a fresh guy neatness be what o twam say na tikokra che obi anim but the moment obeto from say cream when nyamwachima papa bi ama wan krakra no they didn't baba beto us ye na nkrofo na na is that him is that her na ayen sembebre na kokonsa for so esa fe no be ready meanings into what killed the person se nu tina ma won se do ra no why wo focus out etu don penitentini tietia bia jama transition for yenya behwe ya wo amunu enuro kama ma chese ya preserve no ya de na hye ba bi ye kama pa wo mogo na se much yo enti by the time one ayi yo ne beso e beyi na ba no tim so nipa na wunso ye fresh no da ho ne aye na kama ya siesie ne bibia Funka I didn't be fan of funeral hesi. Atwinya fefe kama. Wo de hye dam ne yede ne kwamusia kosie ne kwa feeling swag. What you say? Eti bomode a na bibi bia fa yi no ho bia de. Any transition any kita ho. Hwehwen ye hia kwa upiem hacho kwan so won mo a wonam ayi ho na atomic road won. Oh, masa. Chese do premises what to say yenim de ya ho kama pa ne ade. Eti bibia e fo mu bia ni funeral ho ade bia arrangement bia de transition the funeral people yen NS wo jama na ye krakra de ma from start to finish na final journey no edimu fefefe asho nipa akuna nunya transition the funeral people and a member of the enterprise group. What check time now no 9 abo pepepe I Adom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station. Ofie Kwanso and Wasuguso OTA with me Jerry.
Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
And Kobe Pia.
Cherry Justice.
Bursting through.
Hey, new phone, new TV. Why? New job, Anna.
Same double. Man, forget to say MTN Mumu. Match again of flow second stone.
Hey, you talk true.
Exciting things happen with MTN Mumu. Etikoswa pump your MTN Mumu wallet. No fire payments, send money, shut our bills. Just do more on your MTN Mumu. For building more points, now winning more. iPhone X, Samsung S9 Plus, Samsung TV sets, and they up to 2,000 cedis e-cash. Who better free every month? Any achedi baby. 80 daily *120# for check your points. Promo where you're locking it down till 31st October 2018. AFT. Uwinia promo code BIA. Untiashi. Answer the your price. Uwinia number back pair and a befrel 0244 300 000. Now about your price our MTN office. MTN and for text message and chardia. 80 koswa. Just Momo it everywhere you go. MTN Momo. Ayesa Kut. Acheno. Atayebia niho. TNC supply.
Fidelity and Netzik smile at it. Power salary accounts bra Fidelity, no smile. Brabage loan copying 200,000 Ghana cedis, no smile. And they be in Pepe, one sabeka, ama smile. Processing fee, PR and Kahu, it is smile. Power Sika bra Fidelity back, no smile Sunday. Says smiler, yes, you have a smile. Fred 3355 says, yeah, they have a smile and Kasa. It's Shea Kakrawo.
When you sit down to take your college finals.
Here we go.
When your dream girl starts giving you her number.
It's 555296.
When you're seconds away from signing an important contract.
Welcome to the team.
When your football idol is about to give you his autograph. You need a pen you can rely on. Big Crystal Original. The long-lasting pen with perfect ink flow. Big Crystal Original.
Bra, into a holding secret panel.
Where the Delilah called the first Samson, and watch that son of what he did the trim, a biada with me.
Into just a mini Delilah, no one. Would you want Tremia and your shade, a free necro, and Mammy Hobby?
Oh, Mecca, a X-Man, dietary supplement for men.
X-Man, let us say, Memman Quanefa, my hoarding on one.
And Bema fa X-Man is yes, and the male homosono, the Muakwan who ya din, one tanya over energy, or Marco Crantem. I'm a credit with Johnson. A brown person with Johnson and Abba Johnson.
X-Man, no more on him.
Pharmacies and chemical shops. Do what you for free everyday pharmacy limited. I was last stop. Accra. Fre 0244 028866.
Me da say. Me kotobia kuma Mr. Oti. Me shoe.
Hey, let's just about Jimmy secret. I come with sugar daddy one.
Abrantie any hree.
Hey,
Sankratwe Food and Drugs Authority. Ashushem Ajatum.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Okay. Yeah, twa Jumedino eso. Now by kind courtesy, Volta Catch, fresh tilapia, and now Zoatem, anti-malaria medicine. Yaba be sha semwe di tu hon for na wie. About your nasema ye di etu ye ho fo no asem no wo poto kasem no or say if there were no difficulties in life there will be no success. Never be a prisoner of your past. It was just a lesson, not a life sentence. If there were no difficulties in life, there will be no success. Never be a prisoner of your past. It was just a lesson, not a life sentence. Obrana ayebono, obra kwantu yenya wo ba wiase a wa ba be kan wo se wo bobra na wo ko wanim de. Unless you desire say the obra no mobiem, wo de wo be ja nkrofo keke. Den a ebremu ye den de ebi beto. They are no two years, those who are even born with golden spoons in the ground, I didn't know. Masa, definitely, a so far and yamum kakra. And on in kabuma, a case or bobrano. That is life. Nasenka challenges, difficulties, and bring more din in your money. Sasani your money near you, dear. Any and can kunim dear sunio. Because ansana obedin kunimuno. This a offer or brim. Look at any papa say 8. Na di omu na kwa ko gina o say ye tumrika. It's a competition. You need to work hard. Go through the pain. Sometimes obi wa mazupu kra hand but the person will ignore it na gidi or person ya na odi first. Onipa ko na obetimi adi first na on na wa successful no. Onipa no wan easy or brave. Oye no so on person bebre na ye bo p ana ye bo tu na pa non de onam hoboko because on person bebre into 29 ba ko a no atwe 3 seconds no 2 ba ko the ni beba no so no omu na wie race ni na jawo and that person cannot compete with omo aka omo dimnika no because ono de no person bebre but the otimi succeed ye no a wotimi hwidi kan ono edi nkunimu no obekwohwemu no ni mmirika wo tuye bra wo bre na hoden wo se no efifre bi e pram no gidi trying to get the number 1 spot na why is successful hwe obra wo de fam sana life tie you can't say o there difficulties there ompe wo abrabom say enu ni ode a ene na nkurimdie nso ni o just as race dey ya make America dey hon fatu am dey ma we so fashion utrim say den a sabre ne beba emu odin wo be face ne ma bi abrabom a hadwen ya tete challenge you but ni nyina mu no esese o ma wani bre na o hye ho den na utimi fam na awie no ayenkunimdie e dey ama enema abesen ko no atwam men fa wa ho den no bibia no adwendwen na nkonko gina ne ma atwamu abesen ko no so wo ye den a atwamu akọ awie obi ho no mo a de enti o say never be a prisoner of your past obi ho no mo enema bia betwamu akọ anko yie wo abrabom ama no waba be a prisoner to sa nema no all the time ho ana na adwene ni susu nyina wo na kanye sa de wi a na kan wi ni na he wi a da bia sa because of that you know on ma kwan ma new opportunities bi ni we say bana kwan mu no pokura no e ma na we utilize it because the person is always living in the past, which is very wrong. Whatever it is that happened, no matter how bad it was, it wasn't a life sentence. It was a lesson. Situation bi abekomu bia no e ma wakonya se obetimi asua bibi afrimu se be ya going forward in life no se osan ko hia a similar situation a obetimi ahuhu nyansa no ahuhu akwan se de ode be fa so na ho ankyere ana wansan anhwe asebim entime anya koa ema emre bi abesen eko ana ade a atwam e wo abrabo mu esanse no eba wakwan mu se eba be kire obibi na ama se de oba be to afiase for good there be tie na yen fa wenhye kotudwem awie yi na yɛfa nka ɔbra na yɛbɔ no na ɛbɛyɛ. If there were no difficulties in life, there will be no success. Never be a prisoner of your past. It was just a lesson, not a life sentence. Voter catch fresh tilapia. Omadama eni tia semwa etise yi. Edi tu ye ho fo na wie. Patrol petilapia de pa de na no so de wiwia etire nie na bia ne asem bia de a. Eye voter catch fresh tilapia papa. Ye de ye to ebo ase ekrakra yen fishes ni na yie kama pa. Bana behwe bia ye nyen de na oh kama. Ye use antibiotics in bia ni ade ase de be mmoa no benya hoden kama na chese yade bia me ha mo adwe na so ukọwe a wanya trouble. Voter catch fresh tilapia is safe, healthy. Na yen adapted the highest operational standards. Yeah, no in compliance with Food and Drugs Authority, Environmental Protection Agency, and our Ministry of Fisheries and Aquaculture. Requirements laws ni na ye diso edi adwuma pepepe. Iti patrol hwe echi akwan na beji tilapia papa na onso edi e wa bro how bia eni echi. Ne bo onso po enye den. Ye wo motorway roundabout ne kasi mu pa no ho na abehu yen wodo ani ache Michelle Camp kwan so sabi nkumu so ha. And afi Accra Newtown ya Malata Market we and I feel so ubu remu kaso abihuni kumasi ho takrade ho any other accredited agents across the country, but all their friend na chain location na wono ye better voter catch agent and now depot I be on now so akoji bi 0544 346 967 afi 0544 346 976 asde di ono ye de ma Zoatem anti-malaria medicine we ye malaria duro kwa and knock off malaria one time. It's only 2 active ingredients are a woman inti. Onum say ya. Within 24 hours will be a malaria bubu no go no best answer region naso. Now on the 3rd day, obe check you nipa no na a clear malaria parasite in the finish system no. It's answer boy me ye pa. Na your mofra de ho Zoatem suspension. It got excellent orange flavor. A man in only mre Edema mofra no 24 de ne Zoatem Fort and afi Zoatem DS. Yeah, no so ya no such a way say ono mo easily and quickly absorb the core system tentem na say the be a be sha say take action na yare no ase atuntem. Oh yeah, nursing mother na say pregnant woman pacho just a consult with doctor and sana wetimi anom Zoatem anti-malaria dru ya kan wasemi bi. Obenya bi ato health shops ahodo ni nyina mu me che pharmacy shops no nyina mu. Badodo pa de Tap Apple Healthcare Limited. Ye Watema Community 25 our Health Plaza building Mufre 020 431 0031 and afi 055 000 5363 na ye din komo fe kama right abusia ya wie ni say ye no se mo be kaya enra e bon komo kakra na ye bia homaton ema manfo frɛ ene edin komo na nkomo amanfo ne edie no in fact ne bi won mu ana e hadwen wo hwe problems and crofo bi no fam in their relationships, in their marriages na ene na ye ya ade bi kakra many producers no ye bo ne ma bi achi kakra na de ba ko ehu ye ne say now wo hwe figures na aware a egunu ye mo chen aware kra afi ne ye kwa akogye every now and then a man for divorce near the day when po ye de eya aware a court agya to mu anuntie kogu na ende agye se court na de ye feature de ende nimra mu kra de ende eche se untimi nkan bebre. Why is that? Eso aware ye da bia ye tu yo fo se mo ware o na eye aware ye nyame ensa wo mu is an institution ordained by God. But why is it that problems every now and then? Actually, be walk out here na wabam krabu. Dangerous. Eti enewie ye pese din komo kakra na ye bowuram ne ehwe. Is it some mistakes binimu na anema na mafo abai eye ene masa warija yi baba ana tumi bi na ama no homene so no why na adwen say ware na kase nyame nsa omne nhyira omudi no pese oya na che say tembi o manage gusa ne ade na ajatin kalowa ye ne be gbowura asase nwesi mu na wa mayen chim kakra eja ma kwaba
ye ja me
na onam boko de
otumfo da Roma ne mpa ebo bia eboko
ye do ba de ase asemo na ma no da so a mekan esi den na anka ware nyonyam hye ade kama fine say nenso no nansan say de ne mekeka ko de nya because no wutie stories amount for the baba ya ebu ya homete keke den ne nam so ma eba ne say ye
beda se eja ansa na no yemfa hu si otumfo nsa osoro ni asase wura katachi yede wase
amen
wabo ya ho ban di free emresantia de besi adebosantin mu yehua masem ne say kasafa me mu asema ba bebo hu me nipa nte ase me hu sampa efi wankasa wani monyam ne wasem beda wase so watie me ne watie fo nyina adumti amen
amen
amen wasema wo kan no em say aware ho asem no ehya ase ache na eyade bi a meka se ni nyina gina empaibo ni tumidi yeso esanse eniema bi ati se no anase aware asem no ahu ade anyankopon sa wom ana ade ayade papa bia no yesi baabi a sichire wo bia na bonyoma so yeden ewo ho enti ni nyina gina empaibo a enipa no bebo ana se osofo a onyame ngo sra wo no so obetimi ehira aware na so obetimi cancel wo mo ehu aware na chi ni tini ne nan asana nka wade na baso na aware hodo na egu no meka se spiritual na 50%.
Wow.
And a physical na 50%. Sa pepe penalty. Say be physical aspect na ana say honamu die ma aware ta egu na e fa no ata agina ahonidie. E woni padua ho.
Physical aspect no.
Sa ahonidie. Ye ho siesie, ye fie siesie mu ni ade. Ye nua ne die bi. Oh say sabe empanimfo anim sometimes no ya na obabi wa be hu no fefefe na so bopini no a yensem bebre so ati ase esanse ko interior no a enema bi wo ho a enkoyie na mso obia ni ho a hu ade efe no bebo pini ade ne nya papa a obetimi so ayeden ade akiri enti ye hwe ne honam famu a aware no ye kasa mu kwan afa so ne ye kunum kasa kwan afa so ne yense unum kasa ye kunuanom kasa so ati ase ana se kwan afa so ne ye yerenom kasa ye yere nuanom ne yense unum kasa no nyina so timi gu awade no so ho ade ama ware ya kono ya honidie titiriu kwan afa so ne uku na wo yere abusuafo akasa mo be dom ho abomu sanse trosem kra e ka asafa odo ho so ati ase enti bibia odo wo mu so no etimi wie peye enti aware ya de bia ne kwan aware enti abre bia nko obi abeware esenka wunya botre na honam mu die sei no utimi nya nkyerɛkyerɛ bi efiri mu
sure
so ati ase esanse enne brabɔne bebre timi ma ema ne bi sebe okɔ ne ho a ensem bebre eniema no enkoyie so ati ase menua na hu se wotiwe na so akɔfa de benum sade no ni tu kwa kyɛ na se enkoyie saa ebe hadwene so ahwe yi a obesa wachi efiri mu so hu timi kasa kyerɛ ma no asebe white ne yare ahodo wode puanom baba so ese wo mu no ese abrebia no ese omo ye careful e was enyema we say mo isanse minima ba wa bia ware odifo bi na ware egu ya na ye sade ya meken ya na ebro mbe pie minimon se me ho no ho ye empaibo bia but ye sade habama e ya de de bo nipa kwa obi ho beba na spiritual ese ye bompa ye ya kwantene ye was satellite junction kuntunse
okay
on say ye bompa ye e de bo nipa na bi o ho be bompa ye aye bibia wi na aka physical de yade a woni padua no mususu no na so de haban ye de eka ene masabe adwumadi e sonko esan say obi o ho asedem di ka kire mu yi ne ho ofe niam bi akoyie na so no ade no nyede enkoyie eye ode po ne niam bi asa ne mo ye siesie a obi okra body na nkasa siesie enkoyie oba bi mpadware oba bi wa asabe montie ne yie one ne ku kura kwa nakra na wie no o twa amade akye apra wie anso akodware yenye ne sa after so no ku be di asiemu awie no de abra duro biara ese otimi bowura mo kan bro for washroom ana sa dwaye na uhuro baby sa ansa na akoto awo na so esan say o mama bi o kra ya na ye niema no nso no ensuo na eba no efi ne keka wa bi wom enti se ba ho sa na se wa anko wo hye a etimi kreti yare bi ma wo sa niema wa nyina timi ma ware den egu so what you say na ya ba be fast spiritual no nso so a on se ene no ewiase aye hu enya ne e hye ase ache ye wo sunsum ahodo a di afurusa ne bonkum ni nifa a se ye bie wani otumfo nyankrompon bie wani amu ahu niam ekoso sunsum wiase anka ye mbehyew obi enam no nya branche kama bi so obe wana ho no de ato ne namfofo anim wo keka didi ho nkomo enso oni ahobambo bia so what you say ka ahobambo a menua ya na ehu yie pa se menua no masofo no mo ni omo di dwuma no ebinom ya na omo ye akwati kwan kakra sentia meka sa ne se ofa so obi ba na se oba for emwa bi se mpaibo ana se eniema bi a ohia free ye na gya Nyankopon bedom no a ese nipa ne sakra free na kwa money bi ho so what you say ese obi ho no oba na niema basabasa bi because me say no oba na se eyemprantem sem dia eno no ya na asofo ni mprantem so what you say enti ewo ekwan a wode nipa no befa so ewo mpaibom amana yihu baby a onam a etechema ansa na nipa na den wotime awie peye ewo sunsum na sempai bom sade owura ware mu a menua bibia betimi akoyi ama no nti aware sem no sunsum ne hunam no ya na enema biretimi techema ti na sade odi ka kire mu no obi betimi akwaware boso miensa na ware den agu esa ne ma hodo bebre nti aware sem ne de menua ehia ma mpaibo emu odin anisa abekoso da
na sa spiritual aspect of it yeah no mutimi wura mbom pae ne ade say in a situation where e bia onipa akono niema binu esenka from the beginning utimi ditutu akwam na wanye na ode no ho akɔhya ware mu awie na fe baabi aduno niema nkoyie se de no ankofo frɛ no meka kon problem edu baabi a wokra wote ankra na otete mu nipa akono ekoba no sa na sa time no aye late ye ho hwe nye yi ana
enye late kra on say entina mdi kaka se yana sofo ne yenya eten haban de ebo ankrofo no de wo mu nyina ne se so obi kosa ho ye hia no mu a ense se opa aba na obetimi akoba bi na yaka ensem bebrebi a ensem fata kire no but solution no ne hia so what you say se nipa no koduru sa trouble no mu a obepa na ma obi atu na ade bia ya kwansidie o sunsum biara on se ye ho no oba na se honam mu nsem ye bebusebusa nsem bi physically ebi okura na ho anaje no sabe akwai se obi a wanya HIV psychologist krampo timiku no so what you say but wotimi nya botene tenase kasa psychologist no etimi bua no kra nsa na ade unu eda kana mo bi onya HIV kura timi nya nkwa hosan so because hospital near the lab near Kokasonia ACP, a one over 73 days no phone, but auntie and on young phone ye. And the air psychologist in Sweden, it's me count and Yama way na it's me call you basa. Sanity.
Wow. Young person, you best say a brainy people. Now, solution yepe. Said the Bena, Sanema, we are cocoa swing now because services said the name of Quacoyano. I say will be a problem, be a pa. And yes, I be bia homa cross and conform fra. Conform a year walking it me bow by reception. Yes, you my sister wish show, mammy show, brother wish show. Obe fell obe nya brain on your bed trans 1-on-1. Our sem problems the biana say na de me from na de me na this say ya na hadrin. Ti say solution bi wo ho. I bet me dia boa safoi empaibo kwan so ne akwankyere bi ne betimi abo mo a eno ne ye hwehwe say muso ejam betimi aboabo an kakrakra wo sa kwan so na asafo no so ba omotimi enyamboa
me da se eja on say abrani nyina no menua yo kwan ahodo bebre obi o akwa urade ani mu kwan afa so kwa ekura onyankopon ntio ni nyina direction etimi ma so what you say esan says o hwe 1 Corinthians 11 verses 5 wa obeki nkan nsem bi o ha kire wo efa enwi emani bi o kwa urade anim na ne mesh egu nachi so what you say we wa share twefom makeup sia wa ye na wo anim na wo kro no twasam so kaseti asa ne ma we ahodo nyina enti no obi be ko prayer camp obi be ko asori dem o ko no sofo no sebe correction nti wontimi mpam nkan sebe no mu nkyere nse on tadi sem no wa hofa no kra de ko nyame anim no emoa wo ena sori fie nyina damone abronsam nya befo atwa hwahia sanso o mo ho no mu ni ani so ati ase enti sa niam we aniam bi amanua ekoso ehanipa and this will be who here our dear one who here no say we should baby papa you bet me then a brown pie so physical and spiritual. Okay, I'm a bit to me you
and then my number
yo so we share prayer center no you was satellite Johnson kuntunse wo and some kwantempo no so my home at farm did you man 0552 86 8797 0552 86 87 97. The toss will be an person me a dinkita on WhatsApp 0247 605 903 0247 605 903. Ahomatu fam de tu bia asa ofre na wo aware mu ahohia bi ana wo ahoduo bi emwa wo obi kura anya yare ahoduo bi wo na ware ase a enko ekutia no a emwa na wade no ana se enema ahoduo pi yade ahoduo pi atofie ho a emwa no oba ye ho no ye baby e bompa ye ne te habamade adwuma onyame nti oba ye beboa wo kwan ahoduo nyina so menua.
All right. Ya bada wa seja na ye hwe nim kwa seja amanfo e be ban so no mo betimi ahwe na mo abo mo amaye na bibia so e kama ye da se pa e brese mbiem so ye beto nsafro na komo bia ubia so ye da se pa. All right enti se sia ba bia du no ye de I get a sport e ba be to aso de ama. Yes na de ubia so no eja ye de akoye nim na asembi ho obi se asembiriba asembiribo na sa asemi na mi hunu se mi aminko se mi ntwen na de fa no no aba no account enye easy na ni na no mia minua kwame oba de ya but ode min cancer me twentwen so kakra